We got a big one today, folks. Lego set number 60374, Lego City Fire Command Truck. This is a big boy. Take a look at the box there. You can see it's got a lot going on with it. So let's check it out. And here it is, the beast, the Fire Command Truck. Before we get into everything involved with the vehicle itself, let's take a look at what comes with it. And what comes with it are a couple little scenes here. We've got your electric box, your little signal tower here, plus a forest scene, all included with little Peter Rabbit down there. And of course, you gotta have your flames. Woo! Oh no. Now, this one comes with its own little minifigure. Oh, my fire. That was easy to put out. This guy, our little electrician. He's got his wrench, his goatee, his ponytail. This guy goes right up here. You set this up like that. We'll put him, how should we put him? Over here, working like this. Put him right up there, look. Now he's working hard, all right? We're not gonna blame Joe for what happens next, but as he's checking things out, getting the screws in tight, boop, flame on. Oh no. Joe, you better call somebody to help you out with that, and we'll get to who and what can help. Say goodbye to Joe. This one, fire comes along, tree goes bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Peter, I hope you have a phone because you better be calling somebody for help too. So there's your scenes, a couple of little ones. We'll get into how we can fight these fires now. Let's start with this guy. So you saw the one minifigure, there's two more coming, and this one is pretty cool. I like these guys' helmets, both of them. We'll start with this one. Okay, he's got the little hose going around down by his mask, and he's got this little controller. Let's find out what that's all about. If we look in the back of our truck, as he turns it on, go. Boop, 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 boop. Here comes our firefighting drone. Check this guy out. Simple little block of a thing, but you'll notice up front, he's got dual shooters. One for foam, one for water. So when you come on over here, and you want to fly, you can't get too close to the fire, just fly this guy right next to it. Now these things, I'm not going to shoot this one because these things fire with a lot of pressure. If it hits this and bounces off, I'm never going to find that piece. Which wouldn't be horrible because they do come with, I believe, 2 or 3 extras for each of these. But yeah, there you go. Little drone. You just push these buttons up here. Yeah. Ah, there it goes. Just a little disc piece comes out. Put it back in there. Yep. If I can get it to go back in. There you go. But yeah, you just push those 2 buttons and fire away. So that's one of your minifigures. Like I said, he's pretty cool looking. He's got his tank on the back. And that's your drone pilot. Now I'm wondering too, if this little control that he has can also control our other little guy, which we're going to show. We're going to open up our truck. You push the button and down goes the ram. Boop, 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 boop. What do we have inside? Now, if you got big fingers like me, it's kind of hard to reach in there. Can I pull it out? Pull it out? Don't worry. The other side opens up too. Bloop. There you go. So if you can't pull him out from one side, just give him a nice little push. Here he comes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here comes your rover. Woo! There he goes. Now, this guy doesn't have any firefighting capabilities, but he's got this little arm right up here. It's quite maneuverable. Go up, down, all around, turn, 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 turn. So if this thing's too hot, you come down here. Can you snip that off for me? Snip. That's what he's good for, I'm guessing. But yeah. So nothing fancy, just a nice little addition to the whole set in general. And when he's all done, you fold up his arm, put him back up there. Back he goes. Let me close up both my doors. I think he fits in there nice and snug too. Up goes the back. Up goes this side, and away he goes. Now, let's get to Big Daddy. First, this minifigure. The man in black. Check him out. A nice flashy helmet. He's got the axe. You see on the side here, we've also got a little saw. So if you want to use that, got a job that calls for it. And there's one sitting right there. But this guy, I think he's really awesome. Like I said, I like the black. Now our truck, the front, you got your winch. All right, you need to pull something down. Something's in the way. Maybe that tree fell over in the woods. You need to pull it out of the way to rescue Peter. You can use that guy. And yes, it works. It turns. There you go. In the back, you've got your storage compartments for your foam and your water. So let's go ahead and dump those guys out. There they go. Some pretty big pieces here. Nice weight to them too. Fold that back up. And where do these go? Of course, they go on the big top launcher up here. So which one should I do here? We're going to help the rabbit out. So I'm going to use water. Put the water in here. Now let's see if I can get this shot. All right, are you ready? Now this thing, it's a bit sensitive. And it comes out like a rocket. So definitely don't be pointing it at anybody's face. But if we line them up here, you see it can go up and down, all around, up, down. Or maybe I should say down and up. There it goes. Any way you want it to go. And it's got this little red button on the back. And they said you barely have to tap it and it fires. So let's see if I can I get this? Come on, Peter, can I help him out? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That's why I'm in this job. And you saw that thing went flying. Where did it go? Same with the foam. Let's see here. All right. This one's easier to find, so I'll just launch this wherever. We'll point this guy up and pooh! It went like 2 rooms over. All right. Like I said, that thing shoots out like a rocket. But there you have it. There's really nothing more to the truck. You know, it'd be cool if like these side panels opened up and, you know, had stuff in there. The top comes off pretty easily, and you got your like your coffee cup. You gotta have that, and a little computer inside. Is it not too much, but I think it would be a really cool addition to any Lego City setup you've got. I'm a fan of it. Is it a lot of pieces? You got your drone, your rover, 2 different scenes, 3 minifigures. I'm a fan. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined, and I will see you later. Bye.